The journey of a tree, from a tiny seed, the sapling, to spreading itself. The seed is the determination within ourselves to ground itself, make it strong with roots so that it is sure to face all the phases with courage and strength. Let us take you through this journey. The seeds are sown under the soil, the first step of the journey. Watering the seeds makes them grow with absorption of nutrients from the soil. The sun gives it its sunshine to grow further and develop a small baby root and a baby shoot. It is amazing to see them grow. With regular sunshine and rain, we can see a stem and leaf prosper. Slowly, the small baby seed develops into a big and strong tree, spreading its branches full of flowers and fruits. It is a journey to remember and learn to be strong, steady, and determined with a motive to grow and shine in our life.